Hello, and welcome to our overview video on Metcraft shower panels. To begin, let's cover the three main styles of shower panels we offer. On the left, we have our standard chase mounted shower panel. These are designed for facilities that have an accessible chase. The next two panels are designed to be mounted from within the shower room. Our front-mounted shower panels are recessed into the wall and require a cutout that uses either a frame or a wall box. We will cover those options more in detail later in the video. Our final option is the surface-mounted shower panels, which don't require any wall penetrations outside of mounting anchors and your water supply lines. Now that we've gone over the three main styles, let's dive into a bit more of a detailed look on these options. What we are seeing now is the view inside the shower room with the covers removed. This allows us to get a better idea of how the valve is connected and how the shower will be secured to your room. Starting again with the chase-mounted shower panels, we have a security frame that is embedded into the wall that will feature anchors that fasten into the back of the shower panel. Inside, the plumbing chase supply lines will be mounted to the valve, which will be anchored to the wall. Tubing will be routed from the chase side, and most maintenance can be done without removing anything from the front side of the panel. Next, we'll cover the front-mounted shower panels. The mounting for these are recessed into the wall and are a highly compact option. We do have three options for mounting these panels, so let's cover those in more detail now. Our TWB option is a 20-gauge galvanized wall box, which is an economical solution for low-security environments. Our HWB option is 16-gauge stainless steel for a more robust upgrade over the TWB. Finally, our HWF is a 16-gauge stainless steel frame that has an open back, which allows for more flexibility in the depth of the recessed opening, depending on your specific setup. One final point is both wall box option feature multiple knockout blocks. These allow easy access to plumbing supply lines without the need to drill holes into the boxes. We are now ready to cover the final style, our surface-mounted shower panels, in more depth. These showers feature a larger mounting frame that leaves most of the wall exposed to prevent obstructing the incoming water supply lines. If you're planning on using a mixing valve of any type, these panels are ideal due to the larger size. If your water supply is coming from the top of the panel as shown here, we do offer top supply cover panels to provide a professional finished appearance to your shower room. That wraps up the comparison between our three major styles of shower panels. Before we close, we want to highlight a couple more options available to you when choosing the right shower panel for your requirements. First, all three styles come in standard and handicap compliant versions. Shown here is the 700 SHS and the 700 SHS HC. As a standard, handicap compliant models will come with two fixed shower heads as shown. With these fixed shower heads, we do offer two angles which allows the water to be aimed in the same general area despite being mounted at different heights on the panel. In this example, we've used our PSH 2 shower head on the top, which features a 17.5 degree angle, and our PSH 1 shower head on the bottom, which features a 30 degree angle. We also have additional options for shower heads, including a handheld shower option. The next batch of options focus in on ligature resistant fixtures. All of the shower panels we've discussed in this video have special ligature resistant versions. At a minimum, this will mean that the options like the shower heads and push buttons will feature a more conical or hemispherical shapes to reduce tie-off points. Depending on the shower panel design, ligature resistant features may also include enhancements like a slope top for panels that extend into the room. That wraps up our video today on Metcraft's line of shower panels and the major options you have when choosing a shower panel that is perfect for your application. Thanks for watching.